Respected Sri Ajit Gupte ji, Honorable Ambassador of India in Germany, or our Andhra Pradesh Tourism Minister Durgesh ji, and Minister for Tourism of Madhya Pradesh, and dear friends, we from Telangana Tourism are very happy to participate in IDB in Berlin. Telangana is host to many tourist attractions in Hyderabad city. Hyderabad city is city of Pulse, is famous for its historic Charminar and Golconda Fort. You know that Hyderabad is famous for food. Hyderabad biryani is world famous biryani, and Halim is also very famous food. Telangana has world famous UNESCO World Heritage Site, its Ramappa Temple. We also have famous Buddhist site, Buddhavanam in Nagarjuna Sagar. We have also two tiger reserve forest, that is Amrabad and Kabal sanctuaries. Also Hyderabad is known for its hospitals and wellness treatments. Now Telangana government under leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Revant Reddy Garu and our Tourism Minister Jubelli Krishna Rao Garu has come up with Tourism Policy 2025-30 with incentives for investors to come and invest in Telangana. We welcome to all to visit Telangana and thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.